Smart filters. Now you can use smart filters with adjustment layers. They all work in conjunction with each other, but I'm going to show you a practical use of smart filters, because up in the filters there's a million filters, and some of these are very corny. They've been used tons of times, and some of them are just like colored pencil. I mean, really. Okay, so in here, what we're going to do is take and duplicate this about 3 times. So the bottom one I'm going to keep as an original and shut off. This one I'm going to take and convert it to a smart filter. Now, what smart filters do is allow me to choose what area I can apply the filter to real time. So, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Blur it till it hurts your eyes and hit OK. Here, I have this little white area, and I'm going to take and paint black in it. And you can see he starts popping out. In fact, if I have 100% opacity, he really starts focusing out. Now, sometimes it's easier just to get everything in to a field of vision and then hit X on the keyboard to start painting white. So whenever I paint white here, gets that filter. And now you can see that I can apply some depth of field to an image that did not have any depth of field to begin with. And he pops out. So I'm going to turn this on and off and show you what it looks like. Off, on. If you use a smaller opacity, like let's say I take this and lower the opacity in half or something, and paint foreground pieces, these things would be blurry again, then it would be sharp and then blurry again. Okay, so that's how that works. You can paint foreground items, or midground items to be sharp, foreground items to be dull, and background items to be blurred, leaving your center of interest right here. Now that works for every filter, so I don't have to show you the other ones. And it works with adjustment layers also. So if I wanted to adjust the color of something with a vibrance level of something, I could still do that. I could still over vibrate this and make him really colorful. And I can keep the background just as colorful and still have it make sense. Alright, so that is smart filters. Enjoy.